Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States. Celebrated for its wide array of coffee beverages and donuts, as well as other baked goods. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts. Dunk. In. Do. Nots. Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts is famous for its delicious donuts and coffee, and the brand has become a staple for many people seeking a quick and satisfying treat. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Dunkin Donuts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.